guys, we are in Oxygen Park. Beautiful park, very beautiful. There's a cycle track and a lot of green. You can go on top of that. There will be lights. I'll show you in the night view how it looks. Liam's bike is here. First time Liam going to try the bike outdoor. Let's see if he like it or not. I'm not sure. Oh, when you have family now, you need to take all these things.
Liam.
Oh, this park, most of the people coming here for the first time, they're almost lost. I was lost twice because the signage is not yet accurate. It's not showing exactly where to go. But today I managed to go directly to the parking. And yeah, so make sure you find the parking. Hello, my friend. So that's the first time Liam is outdoor in his bike. Oh, he looks very excited.
No, it doesn't.
Okay, dokie. You go rest with Mama now. Papa will go for a walk and come back, okay? Liam is on off-road now. Hold the wheels. Hold. Yeah, good boy. Hello guys, we are in Oxygen Park. This is an education city which is owned by Qatar Foundation. It's a beautiful park. It's a small park but very beautiful. There's a cycle track and a lot of green and football ground, volleyball, a small fountain, falls, and there is a You can go on top of that. There will be lights. I'll show you in the night view how it looks. It's totally beautiful. I'm not gonna talk much in this video, but I'm just gonna take you around the park. It's gonna be a virtual tour. It's a perfect park for family to come and enjoy the evening. Also, this is especially for all the Qatar Foundation students who are studying here. For them it's free, they can come and play. For outsiders it's not allowed to play here. You can just come and as a family you can visit it. Let me go take a look at the football ground and go through the park. Yeah. Okay guys, see you.
See you, Papa. See you po.
Appa. Let me show this view. This view is beautiful here. Hello. Hello. Look at you. What's your name? Teddy. Oh, so cute. He's very cute. That's the second one. They have a volleyball ground there and the fountain. It's Monday. They said it's a ladies' night. Gents not allowed after 6 p.m. So they kicked me out. Even with family I cannot say. It's only ladies. Ladies, ladies, ladies. Only ladies. Alright, I said like I'm with the family. I said no, sorry sir, you need to move. That's fine. I can come all the other days. So guys, don't go to Oxygen Park on Monday evening. You can go in the morning. So we're heading back. That's all about Oxygen Park for today. Come on buddy, we need to go for the day 2 Oxygen Park. We haven't finished the park yet, you remember? Day 2 Oxygen Park. So we are here on our second day. See, and sir is ready here. Shilian. And the weather looks beautiful today. But the sun went early down, like 4:43 now. It's cloudy. The sun is hidden under the clouds. Look what's happening here. Let me show you. This boy is sleeping in the grass. This boy slept maybe like 2.5 hours straight. He used to sweat in the AC room, but today in the open air, he slept straight 2 hours, no disturbance and no moving, not moving. All the way straight. And now he got up, full energy. I don't know if he will sleep later. He will awake all night. You will be awake all night, Liam. So nice to really. Now I understand why he slept like this. He should just lie down and look at the sky and on the grass. It feels so good. Alright, so Mr. Liam is awake now and we need to get home, dinner time. So that's all about the Oxygen Park. Hope you like it and we gotta go. See you in the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed the Oxygen Park. If you're in Qatar, please visit the park. You will really love it. With family, it's a great place to visit. Bye-bye. I don't know what to say. Thank you very much, guys. See you on your